Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your HSBC Bank's online banking account through the mobile app. So first of all, go to your App Store or Play Store, then type in HSBC, and after HSBC, type in the country you are from. If you are from the US, type in HSBC US, or if you are from UK, type in HSBC UK, and same for Australia and other countries as well. And after you've typed in, download the app. Since I've already downloaded it, I'll simply open it, and as soon as you open it, it will take you to this page where you'll be provided the end user license agreement. So all you have to do is tap on the box in front of I agree to the above license and tap continue, and the same for the terms and conditions as well. Now here you'll have to enter your username, tap continue, and after that, once you type in your password and tap login, you'll be successfully logged into your HSBC Bank's online banking account through your mobile app. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.